Hi guys, welcome again to Sunny Box Break. Thank you for the fill. Alright, appreciate that. Today we are doing this SBB number oh, I forgot about the SBB things. This is SBB number. This box oops, oh, alright. Number 688. Alright, this is EPL PRIZM Mixer number 7. So thanks again for the fill, appreciate that. Alright, there we go. Right, today we are going on live on YouTube, so hopefully you guys like it. And in the meantime, that if you'd like to get more information on all the upcoming breaks, make sure that you join our Facebook group Sunny Box Break and Sunny Box Break TCG. So all breaks are live on Facebook's mostly, but we're trying to switch to YouTube. So hopefully we can get some what I call that successful switch from Facebook to YouTube in the future. All right. So do follow us on our Instagram, Sunny Box Break. Do check out our website at www.sunnyboxbreak.com. All right. So if you check out using the website, you get additional 2% off on your final bill. So make sure that you check out our website, alright, by Visa, Master, and bank transfer. Alright, so who is with me now? I can't really see who is watching. I have no idea who is watching, but hopefully you guys let's see. Alright, here we go. Box number 1. Box number 1, and this one is Arsenal goes to Eugene Lim. Arsenal goes to Eugene Lim, so good luck. Is this still very lag? No, right? Don't think so. I think it's still alright. Good luck everyone. Box and number 1. Okay, I'm gonna stack them up this time. Good luck everybody. Right. And the problem is still prefer Facebook is because I can know who is actually watching. On Facebook I can't unless you guys talk to me. Otherwise there will be I have no idea who is watching. Unless you guys talk to me. This is everything is still alright? Stream and everything? Hopefully it's alright. Daniel, what's up, buddy? Alright, box number 1. Breakaway. Good luck. Alright, we got Go Sheep. Man U. A bit delay, alright. Go Sheep, Man U, Eugene Arsenal box 1, Hobby box and Breakaway box 1. Theory, you got box 2 in breakaway. Brian, you got Christian Pulisic, Mason Mount, everyone's alright over there. And big shout out to Tottenham as well, Nick Kaching. The thing is about the setting, so I need to set it right. Okay. Ooh, wow. We got a bronze or gold, I cannot remember. I think it's bronze. Good luck. All card ship including the base card, so don't worry about that. Gonna run through the cards. We got a fireworks, Alisson. Fireworks. And refractor goes to Liam Cooper for Leeds United, a rookie refractor. Leeds United, Eric Bain. Nice one. Got a Hurricane Scarlet Club for Tottenham Hotspurs. Got a purple coming up and followed by a blue. And purple, we got rookie Crystal Palace, Tyrick Michelle. Rookie Crystal Palace. Belongs to Sean Lowe. This one is 62 of 99. Sean Lowe. And we got a fireworks of Bert Leno. Bert Leno, fireworks, Arsenal. And we got a hyper of Dele Ali, breakaway. PRIZM, Dele Ali. Welcome, welcome guys. Is this 1 or 2? This is box number 1, guy. Eugene, box number 1. Sorry guys, I still working on the what you call that, setting on this YouTube. So hopefully we can get something smoother when second breaks and all that. Try and error. Let's hope we can get a best resolutions for this stream and all that. Nothing good for me. Not yet, I think, right? Not yet. It's not finished yet. And we got a rookie of Darnan Furlong, West Brom. Furlong. 166 of 195. Furlong. Got an atmosphere for Fulham. Here you go. Fulham. And alright, good luck. And we got a Aaron Wan-Bissaka for Manchester United. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Man U. And we got for Southampton, Will Smallbone. This one goes to Daniel. 53 of 195. A little bit lag. Let me work on it after this. We got an emergence of Dara O'Shea for West Brom. Dara O'Shea, West Brom. Emergent. Breakaway PRIZM. We got Nick Pope for Burnley. Nick Pope for Burnley. And we got a tilt for Manchester City, Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus, Man City. This one is 7 of 49. Nice one. 7 of 49. Atmosphere, Chelsea. Chelsea, Atmosphere. And we got a Martinez for Aston Villa, a rookie. Breakaway PRIZM. And breakaway PRIZM is Matthew Cleek for Leeds United. Rookie. Here you go. Next box number 1. Right, we got a is it a bit laggy on YouTube or is this me? It's okay, it looks exactly like Rooney straight. I think it's a bit like laggy and all that, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so in the meantime that let me see, the connection is alright, it's just maybe the setting is not exactly good. So we'll finish off this one first, and then after that we'll try to see different result. This is the first time I actually do on YouTube. Alright, so I think this is yellow team. It should be Wolverhampton. Should be Wolverhampton. Magnus, there you go. Real Patricio. 2 of 25. Bronze. Bit laggy, that's right. Okay, that's box number 1, guys. Okay, keep going. Got box number 2. Box number 2, our Arsenal belongs to Thierry. Nice one. Here you go. Box number 2. Good luck, everybody. Alright guys, for the EPL 8-box mixer, guys, got about 60 plus players still only remaining. So today we still do the weekend sales today. Tomorrow I will try to do a close it now sales. So hopefully we can fill it up, and then we're gonna do it on Wednesday. Alright? Oops, sorry. Wednesday. So tomorrow, hopefully we can get some, do some WWE, which I'm gonna post real soon. And then I'm also gonna do some shiny fake Pokemons as well tomorrow. So tomorrow also a busy day of breaking as well. welcome guys. You're watching live now. We're doing SBB number 688. This is EPL PRIZM Mixer number 7. Thank you once again for the fill. Welcome to the break. Alright, something facing backwards. Alright. Okay. Facing backwards. We are going to serve it. Facing backwards. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Alright, here we go. We got Mikel Antonio for West Ham. Mikel Antonio for West Ham. This one is 143 of 195. West Ham is Eric Bain, last minute picked up. What about fireworks? James Madison. It's the first time I pull him. James Madison. Leicester City. Brian. And silver goes to Antonio Rudiger for Chelsea. Chelsea others goes to Roman. There you go. More fireworks. This time is Billy Sharp. Billy Sharp fireworks. Sheffield. And we got a rookie of Steven Elzai for Brighton. Breakaway Prism. Next one. Box number 2. Arsenal goes to Thierry. We have for Sheffield, John Langstrom. Sheffield, John Langstrom. 117 of 195. Sheffield. Sheffield is David. We got a atmosphere of Wolverhampton. And we got a Bert Leno, Arsenal. Bert Leno, Arsenal. So this one goes to Thierry. Including the base card as well, Arsenal, so don't worry about that. Jack Grealish, Aston Villa. 118 of 195. Aston Villa is Sean Lowe. We got a Son Heung-min for the Spurs. Spurs goes to Nick Kachin. Scorer Club, we got Danny Ings. Scorer Club, Danny Ings. Southampton. And we got a Ross Barkley, Aston Villa. Aston Villa, Ross Barkley. And ooh, is it a goal? It is a goal, wow. Nice one. You have a goal breakaway. And emerging, we got Jared Bowen for West Ham. A rookie. Jared Bowen. Nice one, buddy. And how about rookie Stuart Dallas for Leeds United. Breakaway. Purple, we got for Tottenham Hotspur, Stephen Bergwijn. Tottenham Hotspur. Stephen Bergwijn, 30 of 99. 30 of 99. And we got an instant impact of Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus. And we got a Danny Ings, Southampton, breakaway. Alright, rookie. That's box number 2, breakaway. Theory, there you go. We got 1 go and 1 auto. Good luck. Let's do the go first. Good luck. Alright, go. Blue team. Good luck. Blue team it is. Who's it gonna be? Okay. Good luck, good luck. Who's it gonna be? Looks like Chelsea to me. Wow. Chelsea, Matthew Kovacic. Nice one. Chelsea Otters goes to Roman. There you go, buddy. 3 of 10. Nice one. 3 of 10. Chelsea. There you go, buddy. Chelsea, Chelsea. Roman. Alright, let's do the auto. Nice auto. Go. Alright, and it's gonna be. Oop. Go. Black 1 of 1 auto. Boom, baby, boom. Good luck. I'm gonna save it until the end. Black 1 of 1 breakaway auto, guys. What's going on? Wow. Good luck, good luck. Alright. Good luck. 101 auto. Yowie wowie. Oh gosh. You go, man. Alright. I gotta save the auto until the end. Breakaway auto. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Alright. I know why the connection is a little bit laggy, because it's 1 of 1 time. I don't know. Let's hope it's not an Arsenal. Alright. Good luck. Okay, here we go. I got a rate coming up. Good luck. Rate, you got João Moutinho for the Wolverhampton. João Moutinho. There you go. This one is 17 of 149. 17 of 149. João Moutinho. Yeah, I know. If it's Arsenal, then I think my house got... It's already burned like a long time ago. We got an atmosphere of Liverpool. Nice one. Liverpool goes to Chanarong. And ooh, nice one. How about a Marcus Rashford hyper for Man U? Man U. Marcus Rashford. Okay, here we go. Moussa Sissoko for the Spurs. Sissoko for the Spurs. And Kyle Walker-Peters, Southampton. Southampton. 54 of 99. Southampton, Daniel. 54 of 99, Daniel. I like that. Why like that? Instant impact, we got Bruno Fernandes. And behind is a rookie hyper of Keinan Davis for Aston Villa. Keinan Davis. Aston Villa. Oh wow, we got an orange again. Nice one. Save it. We got an orange. Okay, we got a refractor. Good luck. And emergent, we got Fikayo Tomori. Emergent. It's the first time I pull with Tomori. Chelsea. And Gabriel. Arsenal, rookie. Wrong guy. Hi guys, you're watching live now. We're doing SBB number 688. We got a black 101 hiding behind. It's a black 101 PRIZM auto. So good luck everyone in this break. We got for West Brom, Gary Diogana. West Brom rookie. And ooh, nice one. How about Trent Alexander-Arnold, Liverpool crack eyes. Chanarong. 33 of 75. Chanarong. Liverpool crack eyes. Fireworks, we got John Lundstrom for Sheffield. Fireworks. And behind is a West Brom, Callum Robinson. West Brom. 145 or 199. Our last 4 packs should have our auto in this 4 packs. Alright, we got a raid coming. Nice one. What about another Marcus Rashford? Manchester United, go cheap. And MOJO goes to Trezeguet for Aston Villa. Trezeguet. 71 of 135. Aston Villa. Sean Low. You gotta be low. Sean Low. And we got a, ooh, facing backwards. Alright, there you go. Auto. No Mason, Greenwood, or Baka yet. Scorer Club, we got Sebastian Haller for West Ham, Eric Bain, and Refractor goes to Thiago Alcantara. Refractor, Liverpool. Once again, it's Shannon wrong. Last 2 packs. Good luck. Come on, give me one more black 101, please. How many 101 we need to pull, man? Nice one. And so we got another orange. Wow. Nice one. Another orange. Mason Mount. Alright, how many orange? We got 2 orange, right? Okay, 1 orange. 2 orange and 1 auto. Alright, not bad. What a good box. Refractor, good luck. Christian Pulisic, Bruno. I got an Addison, Manchester City, fireworks. Fireworks. And ooh, Emergent, blue team, refractor. Who's it gonna be? Dominic Calvin for Everton. So it goes to Nick. Nice one. Emergent, Dominic Calvin. Everton, Nick, Hakeem. And here we go. 3 hits and a 1-1-1. Boom, baby. Alright, let's do. Before that, we got a Timo Werner, pink. Nice one for Chelsea. Chelsea goes to Nick. Alright. Ooh, wow. How about Ryan Frederick for West Ham? Eric, nice one, buddy. West Ham. 15 of 25 for the Hammers. Eric Bain. Nice Timo Werner as well. Alright, to 25. Oh boy. Emergent blue. Who's it gonna be? Good luck, blue team. Nice one. Could be a Chelsea. Oops, sorry. Wrong side. Who's it gonna be? I think it's, oh, it's not bronze, it's gold. Wow. Good luck. Come on, give me some nice one, please. I got Leicester City. Nice one. How about Hamza Chandori? Leicester, Brian Cole. You go, man. Emergent. There's a goal. 7 of 10. Nice one, buddy. 7 of 10. Hamza Chandori. Wow. Very nice. Lots of low number cards as well. Got 2 go. Wow. Fantastic. Alright. And the auto. Good luck. Auto is a base auto. Alright. It's blue team. Blue team. Who's it gonna be? From the right. Let's hope it's the right one. Uh-oh. Could it be a Son Heung-min? Tottenham Hotspur. OMG. Come on. Give me a Son, please. Go. Tottenham Hotspur. And Nick Ka-ching. Nice one, buddy. There you go. OMG. Very nice. Wow. Boom, baby. Son Heung-min. Oh boy. Boom, baby. Wow. Crazy breaks, guys. Still got a one-on-one to come, guys. Crazy break. Wow. This is awesome, buddy. There we go. Alright. It's time to do a Mac. Good luck, everyone, on the 101. Oh boy. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. Oh. All right. Nick Ka-ching. Very nice. Wrong guy. But still from the same sick team. Wow. Congrats. Looks like the rich are getting richer. It's not Son Heung-min 101, but it is a Brad Frito 1 of 1 for yet again Tottenham Hotspur. Nice one, buddy. Wow. Wow. There you go, my friend. Nate. Ka-ching. Ka-ching. Crazy. How many keeper 101 that we need to pull, man? It's crazy. What a break, man. What a break. I myself chased for the Sun Auto for like how many times, I don't know. You guys see me picked up like countless times. 1 of 1. There you go, man. Wow, nice one, buddy. There you go, man. Nick Ka-ching, nice one, nice one. Wins it all. Tottenham Hotspurs for the win today. Crazy. Alright. Alright. Recap time. Wow. Crazy. This is crazy. Unbelievable. Crazy. Alright, this Gabriel is actually silver, so this one goes to Eugene. I thought Brad Friedel is supposed to be like Aston Villa. Boom, baby. Alright, recap. We got some breakaway purple and breakaway blue. Let's do some breakaway blue first. Breakaway blue, these are all to 195. We got Darren Furlong for West Brom, Will Smallbones, Southampton, Jack Grealish, 195, 118 for Aston Villa, John Langstrom, 117 of 195, and Mikel Antonio, 143 of 195. Alright, we got two purple. 299. First we got Tyra Michelle, 62 of 99 for the Spurs. And for the Spurs again, for the Crystal Palace just now. For the Spurs again, Steven Bergwijn, 30 of 99. Steven Bergwijn, 30 of 99. Alright, we got some red. We got Jao Martino for the Wolves, 17 of 149. And we got a blue Callum Robinson, West Brom, to 199. And to 135, we got Trezeguet for Aston Villa. And we got 1 to 99 is Kyle Walker-Peters for Southampton, 54 of 99. Alright, on our war, crazy war. Alright, breakaway tilt, Gabriel Jesus, 7 of 49. Corinsac. Got a bronze Rui Patricio for Wolverhampton, 2 of 25. Rui Patricio. Got also to 25 is Ryan Fredericks for West Ham, 15 of 25. Got a Trent Alexander-Arnold, Liverpool, 33 of 75. We got a goal, Matthew Kovacic for Chelsea. This one is 3 of 10. Matthew Kovacic. We got also goal, Emergent, Hamza Chandouri for Leicester City, Brian. This one is 7 of 10. 7 of 10. Seven of 10. And alright, crazy. Got a Son Heung-min, Tottenham Hotspur. Son Heung-min, base auto, nice one. And also from the Hotspur, we got Brad Friedel's 1 of 1, nice one. There you go, buddy. Brad Friedel, 1 of 1 for the Spurs. It's about time to put Snake Kaching some nice stuff. Brad Friedel. There you go, buddy. Boom shakalaka. Alright, that does it for our SBB number 688, guys. Sorry, a little bit laggy on the YouTube. So hopefully the recorded video will be a little bit smooth. Thanks again for the fill.